think we went the wrong way because they don't know what they're doing. And they got lost. And I just went home. And I'm taking over his vlog. It's mine now.
Hi everyone. I'm gonna try something a little different today. On a short little hike, we're gonna go up. I'm gonna set up the rectangular tarp for a tarp tent. Cook up some breakfast today. Cody's coming out. We got Michael.
Yes, sir.
And we got special guest Kirsten Nicole. I'll put a link to, she's a subscriber, has her own channel. I'll put a link to her channel in the description. And we're gonna walk up.
Coming up to a bridge. Come on. Come on. No, Cody, this way. Up the stairs. Come on. Okay, you wanna go that way. Found the campsite. Looks like people's been here before. Since I have.
That's it. So we're at the local Boy Scout camp on top of the mountain. There's Mike coming back with a tree to whack. Alright, we're going to set up the rectangular tarp tent. Cody, don't eat the camera. Pull those trunks on over there. Take it. Same thing over here on this side. So Alright. Cody's throwing in the towel. He's bushed. We're gonna cook up some breakfast now. So we got some eggs in there cooking. Mike's gonna get the tail of ham going. She kind of got doors. Always make adjustments, tie off different things. So I'm going to open up the doorknob with one hand. All right. So, of course it's recording. Say hello.
Hello.
You have a rough trip, Cody?
I'm just taking it off and bringing it over there. I checked it once already, but it was nowhere near done. That thing was burnt out.
You sure this isn't gonna heat up?
What?
The camera?
May. It is.
Jimmy in trouble, Lassie? What is it, Lassie? Hey. Stay away from the food.
Good night.
Okay. What do we got here? We got some tail of ham. I split a bagel with Mike. Some tail of ham and egg. Very good, Mike.
Yeah, came out good, right? Thank you, sir.
Even the toasted bagel, which is
I really like this bagel toasted.
really toasted. It's all good.
Is it recording?
Yes.
My forehead itches.
Oh.
So I gotta go like this.
Nothing beats food on a fire. That was a really, really good bagel.
Don't put that.
Oh, that's going in. Kodiak!
You already snatched one.
Yep. We got you.
Bourbon, street bourbon, is it bourbon?
It's so cold.
You cold?
I'm freezing.
Go stand by the fire.
Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. We're not leaving you alone by the food. It's not happening.
I never embarrass myself. I never get embarrassed.
Every time you get out of bed each morning and see people, you embarrass yourself. Say,
Fire?
Cody!
Kodiak, don't eat the couch.
That was a hill. What do you think?
Huh.
Oh god.
What do you think, Cody? Was that a hill?
All this glass everywhere. My toes are gonna fall. I think we went the wrong way because they don't know what they're doing and they got lost, and I just want to go home because I'm cold and I smell like fire. Hopefully we're not going the wrong way again. I'm taking over his vlog. It's mine now.